Bamboo Love. What would you love to learn about today? Gardening! What are you digging for? Treasure? Dinosaur bones? Oh, you're digging because you like to dig. Hello, Rabbit. Oh, Rabbit has given you some seeds. Seeds grow into plants. Would you like to grow those seeds? Are you waiting for those seeds to grow? Seeds need to be put under the soil. Put each one in a hole. That's called planting. Then they'll start to grow. Uh-oh! Have you lost one of the seeds? Never mind. You can look for it later. But now you should cover these 2 seeds with soil. Seeds need to be covered by soil to be warm and safe to grow. Good job! Now give them a drink of water. You're letting the sunlight warm up the seeds. Sunlight helps things grow, and it's making you warm and sleepy. Look, you found your lost seed. It has grown into a tree. Wow! And the first little seed that you planted grew into a nice-smelling flower. What did the other seed grow into? A delicious carrot grew from that seed. Great gardening, Bamboo Love. Rabbit sure likes your carrot. Now that's a nice way to grow a friendship. Today, Bamboo Love learned about gardening. She learned that gardening takes time, work, and loving attention. And planting seeds can produce food